Ready to dive into the legend of the narwhal? Let's go. This mystical creature sports a long, spiraled tusk that's actually an elongated tooth. Found in the Arctic waters, narwhals use their tusks for sensing their environment and possibly even for dueling. It's like having a built-in sword. These gentle giants can dive up to 5,000 feet and hold their breath for over 25 minutes. Fascinating, right? Dive into more amazing animal facts with us. Subscribe to Fact Flicker now and never miss an adventure in the wild.